For Module 4.4C, this is a mini lesson using Canva that focuses on creating and sharing projects. The objectives for this lesson are to create a presentation using a template. Students will use the tool and then they are going to create a presentation with a partner and then share it with me. Why do we share ideas? Have you ever made a slideshow or anything that was to teach somebody something? Why might we want to work with a friend to make something better? When you're working together, it can make your learning more fun, but we can also see things from someone else's perspective or their point of view. So if I'm working with a friend and we're talking about our favorite dessert, they may talk about how they like ice cream and there's a flavor that they like. And then I might realize that I'm missing out on something that I've never even tried before. So it's important to listen to others and then share our own ideas with others too. So we all know how to create the presentation in Canva already, but today I'm going to show you how to collaborate, which is a fancy word for working with a friend, while each of you are working on your own Chromebook. So this is different than what you've done before. You're actually going to be working on your own computer on the same document at the same time. So first, once your basic template has been created, by one of the partners, that partner is going to click share in the top right corner, and you can see it here in the first picture. And then a box will drop down, and then you add the other partner's email address to the box that's next to the magnifying glass. And that adds them as an editor of your project. And don't forget to add my name to the list of people who you're sharing your project with. And then this is my full name here, so make sure you type that in as well. This lets me see your progress and your final project when it's done. So once you both begin working within your project, you can see when your partner is also working by noticing a bright colored cursor that is attached to their first name. So you can see in this image that the pop pink cursor has a little box that says Sky. So you can see where Sky is working in the project. You don't have to save anything. All of your edits are saved automatically. You can also comment on each other's edits, but just remember you need to be respectful and constructive whenever you're doing this. Happy creating. The end.